Okay, St. Johns County, Florida, Mineral City. One of the earliest towns established in this area of St. Johns County was known as Mineral City. In 1912, mining engineers George Anson Pritchard and Henry Holland Buckman discovered valuable minerals in the sand of northeast St. Johns County. Buckman and Pritchard established a mining operation which later evolved into Mineral City. The town boasted employee housing, a commissary, and a post office where Pritchard was the postman. During World War I, workers removed ilmenite, rutile, and zircon minerals from the sand to make weapons. In 1920, Buckman and Pritchard sold their company to the National Lead Company out of Pittsburgh. After World War II, the minerals were used for a variety of products, including steel paint, linoleum, automobile tires, and spark plugs. In 1928, Mineral City's name was changed to Ponte Vedra Beach. And this is okay, it's caught in a rip current. Remain calm. Okay, woo, Jesus.